I'd like to show you a few of my rubber powered model aeroplanes, and this is a replica of the Air Cadet, which was made in 1934. The plans came out in 1934 in the Aero Modeler, and the idea was that there was supposed to be a practical aeroplane for Air Cadets to build and fly. This one flies really well in the replica, and it encompasses the original propeller and the undercarriage of the first airframe. My more recent model is this. It's the Aries. This is made by West Wings, and I've only had some short flights out of this, but it's kind of promising. When the weather's better, it promises to be a really good flyer. And I've just completed this. This is the Velia Monocoupe, which is a 1926 design, and it was kitted by Aerographics. It's a beautiful little model, and I've just done a little maiden flight in the garden, and that looks promising too. And here we have, on the right hand side, we have the West Wings Orca Tempest, as yet unflown, but I've made the undercarriage plug-in so that it should be easy to handle as well. And in the back we've got a West Wings Orca Hurricane, which is yet to fly as well. And up above we've got the Puss Moth, the West Wings Puss Moth, which is an absolutely gorgeous little flyer. Well worth the effort in building that one. And in the background I've got a restored Keelcraft Achilles, which, as you know, is a classic Keelcraft design, never fails to fly. And above that I've got a cardboard Orca Art, actually, which was designed for rubber power. A little bit on the heavy side, but nevertheless an interesting project. And down here I've got a scratch built, I'm going at it, 4190, which once again was made from a very early edition of the Aero Modeler. And some of these early designs fly really, really well. And now we'll go over to the Bristol Beaufighter, which I'm restoring, which is another rubber model twin. And above that we've got the Flare Orca Fury, which is actually being converted for miniature micro radio control. And likewise the B-24 Liberator bomber, just below it, you can see that as well. And in the past I've been experimenting with four-engined rubber powered models, and this is one. This is the B-17, which is now being converted. And over here we've got the Republic Lancer, which was the first version of the Thunderbolt, and that again was made from a 1946 version of the Aero Modeler. And behind that we've got a Vickers gun bus. Okay, and let's see what else we've got on the pad. Yes, we've got a Curtiss aeroplane up here, if I can reach it. Curtiss biplane. And as you can see, the scope is amazing for rubber power. There's plenty of plans around, and also a lot of them now they're bringing out jets as well. This is the Gwillows, this is the Tomcat actually. It's flown as a glider, but I can't get any Rapier units for it at the moment, but nevertheless interesting subject. And if we go over here, we've got a Sukhoi 21, similar model for Rapier units. There we go. So there you go. That's a little bit of a tour of the rubber models that I've got available at the moment. Thank you.